The most asked question about product is, how do I hydrate? How do I brighten my skin without bleaching it, which is what hydroquinone does? And also, you want to know about vitamin C, and you want to know about retinol or retin-A or tretinoin. So let's talk about it. If you're new to my channel, I'm Lisa. I have been a holistic master esthetician for over 40 years, and I've helped hundreds of thousands of people around the world to have beautiful, healthy skin without needles, procedures, or pills. I myself have done nothing to my face. I will be 60 probably when this video comes out. I'm so excited. I'm so proud. And I don't wear any foundation or concealer. I've done nothing to my face, as I said, and I don't filter these videos. So everything you see here is real, and I want to encourage you to love who you are, look back at my videos, and learn. Open your heart and mind to what I teach. You can also email me, lisa@peachesskincare.com, and ask anything with love and kindness. If you don't ask it with love and kindness, I'm not going to answer you. Vitamin C. Let's start there. Vitamin C is a powerful product. Powerful product. You don't want to overdo it because you can cause your skin to get these little bumps every once in a while. I don't think people realize that. Everyone thinks more is more, especially women. Let me do more and it's going to be better. If they tell, here's a good example. I love my garden. One day maybe I'll take you on a garden tour, but I feed my garden. I totally feed it more than I should. And I pour way too much stuff in the water because I think more is more. And I even have to learn that that's not always the case. Sometimes less is more. That is the case with vitamin C. You can certainly use it morning and night. I tell a lot of my peaches, and a lot of you are out there right now, that you can even do it every other day if you would like to. We are using vitamin C to strengthen our skin cells, to strengthen the fibers that are in our skin. Now, mattresses today are really not made with box springs anymore. They're not really made with all these springs, but that was always my example to clients for decades. Your springs have gotten loose, and that would be your collagen. And so you want to kind of bind things back together. It also brightens your skin naturally. I do not believe in bleaching your skin. I do not believe in lasers. I don't think that the skin is meant to have needles poked into it. You're told that if you do microneedling, it will damage your skin and then everything will start to heal and it'll build collagen. That is not true. Your skin is just swollen and irritated, and you have to keep chasing that look. So vitamin C is a huge product to use. Here's the difference. And I would say this is the difference of every product that's out there. You can see my vitamin C. Yes, this is a Peaches ad right this second. Squeezed is our vitamin C. You can see it. You can smell it. It smells like orange juice. And we add gold to it so that it doesn't oxidize. So oxidizing is the number one problem that we have with vitamin C. When you first get your vitamin C, you will typically tell me, but Lisa, I was told it needed to be in a dark container. That's how mine was. I didn't like it. The problem is it's in a dark container because it's already oxidized, typically before you get it. And what does that do to your skin? It really irritates it. So you want to be very mindful about the vitamin C that you're using. Now, let's say that you're choosing to use a pharmaceutical vitamin C. That's not really a thing. And, if something says that it is medical grade, for example, medical grade is only what your doctor can write a prescription for. Medical grade in skincare means nothing. Medical grade, again, is only what your doctor can write a prescription for. And vitamin C is vitamin C is vitamin C. So be mindful about what you're getting. I typically put this on after my toners. I put on other serums as well. You're welcome to go to peachesskincare.com to the frequently asked questions page and download the how-to sheet, if you will. It's our, I forget what I call it, prescription sheet. But vitamin C is part of the serums that I use. I do my face, my neck, my chest, and anything extra always goes on my hand. Now let's talk about retin-A, tretinoin, whatever you want to call it. So tretinoin is pharmaceutical. So it has been chemically enhanced, or it has been altered a little bit. I'm not saying tretinoin's bad. It can be a wonderful prescription if that's something you love. But there are studies that show that retinol is easier for your skin to drink in. Now let's add in, this is Ageless Night Serum, an example of Peach's retinol. It is encapsulated, so it is powerful retinol. We use no chemicals. Everything is organic and natural. In fact, I have said this so much lately. Stop with the lists. The lists are paid for, they are not backed by science, and they don't know where we source our ingredients. And it's big brands that really get the A's. You know, you could put something like mine in and may get a bad score. They have no idea what they're talking about. They don't know how much of something I put in a product. They don't know if it's organic or natural. So with Ageless Night Serum, we actually derive our vitamin A from wheat. It is a wonderful way. You can get vitamin A from green leafy vegetables, from wonderful natural sources. And when you do that, your skin can just drink it in naturally and easily. I don't love you to put it up by your eyes, because vitamin A or any of your serums will travel where they need to go. So kind of stick to the 4 points. 1, 2, 3, 4. I always do my neck and my chest. With your chest, when you start to use things that are active, that are really creating change and getting rid of those decades of cumulative damage, you can really have some purging and irritation. So just reach out to me if you do. Pull back a little bit, but it is because your chest is one of the most damaged areas on your skin, because even if you're wearing a baseball cap, which I don't like, wide brimmed hat only, you're not protecting your chest. Your chest is open in your shirts. Your chest is open in dresses or blouses. And so that's why sometimes you have a little bit tougher time on your chest. It's normal. We get through it, and you will be amazed at your skin afterwards. Any of my peaches, go ahead and comment and encourage someone who needs to hear it. So retinol, when would it go on? You would put your vitamin A product, whether it's tretinoin, Retin A, Ageless Night Serum, you would put it on every other night during your PM routine. So you do your whole PM routine, and whenever you apply your serums, if you're a peach, you would apply retinol in the evening before your eye cream, before your moisturizer, radiance recovery salve, anything that you're going to be doing. This also goes on before I do my facial yoga and massage, which is something I do after my PM routine while I'm just relaxing at night. So I hope that I explained those well. And with that comes the fact that we are trying to brighten and lighten the skin and build collagen. So the ways that you do that naturally are by using things that your skin can truly drink in and create cellular change. By massaging, blood flow creates oxygenation of skin cells and therefore collagen. I hope I explained this well. I hope that, I always say this, that I've encouraged you. You can ask anything with love and kindness. And I hope above all that I've helped you to uncover your true confidence.